Here is how to fix the issue if you can't uninstall Epic Games Launcher. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the issue if you are having trouble uninstalling Epic Games Launcher. So let's start. So when you go to the search box on your taskbar and search for remove programs, you'll find this add or remove programs option. Click on it. Then after search for Epic Games and you will find Epic Games Launcher. Click on the three dots on the right hand side and then go to install. As you can see, it shows Epic Games Launcher is currently running. If you find the same problem, then what you can do is open your taskbar and then search for Epic Games Launcher. Right click on Epic Games Launcher and you will find this end task option. Click on it. Then after try uninstalling Epic Games Launcher once again and you will be able to uninstall it. If you are still having trouble, then what you can do is press Window and R key. Then after in the run dialog box, type %local app data % and then click on OK or press enter. Then locate Epic Games Launcher file and then delete it by pressing Shift plus delete. After you delete that, restart your PC and try uninstalling Epic Games Launcher once again. It should fix the issue. So in this way you can easily uninstall Epic Games Launcher from your PC. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.